Well, hey guys, Keithy6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. It's early Saturday morning, and I'm out on my never-ending quest to keep the playground safe here in Fairbanks, Alaska. So let's hit this playground and see what we can find. First target. Hey, looks like I found my first coin of the day. A dime. I like to find these all the time. Oh, there he is, Mr. Pull Tab. Get a good penny signal. $79. I always find lots of these, especially in a school playground. Hey, first nickel of the day. I always consider that a good sign. Let's keep looking. Yeah, well, here's something I like to get off the playground. Old rusty safety pin. Broken headphone. Ah, it's a key ring. Oh, rusty bolt. Getting a good signal here. Of course. Aluminum foil. Now next target's a head off a broken screw. A little snap off a coat. Holy crap, guys, look what I just kicked up. First ring of the day. And obviously it's nothing special because you can see it's rusted. But hey, it's got a stone. You never know, we'll take it home and clean it up. Sweet. All right, guys, I'm looking at you through my first ring of today. Woohoo! Love finding rings. All right, sweet. Ring up in the 60s. I like finding these. Hey, check this out. Ooh, a bracelet. Sweet. Says love and has a heart on it. All right, cool find. Jewelry. Using the Fisher Gold Bug today, and this thing is just, it finds everything. Even the smallest little pieces of wire. It'll find a staple that's broken half. I just had a weird target. It's like a little spider. Well, it's starting to rain here. So hopefully it doesn't rain too hard. Not sure what that is. Well, I always find a lot of these. These and bobby pins. Got a stone on top of it. I think I just found the Black Panther. Fancy. It's raining harder. I might have to go get my rain fly. Put over my rain cover to put over my detector. Hey, first big money of the day. Been finding a lot of coins. And a lot of trash. Hey, more big money. Oh, check this out, guys. I just kicked up another ring. It was pinging up in the 80s. So that could be silver. Well, I don't see any markings inside right off. But there is some writing right there. It's just really faint. But hey, another ring. Sweet. I was just about to go get my rain cover and I hit this target. I just found another ring. It's a real little kid's ring. Well, the rain's been coming down here pretty steady. So I went and got my rain cover and put it on. Now we can continue. Well, I really like getting these off the playground. Big old rusty Dale. Found another chain. Looks like I found another little chain or a bracelet. Well, I'm over in the little kids' playground now. And look at this old rusty screw. So let's get that out of here. More of those dreaded screws. Wow, look at this, guys. I just found another ring. Sweet. Ring 4 for today. Wow. Awesome. Wow, guys, look at this. I found another ring. The 5th ring of today. It's all bent and boy, it looks like it's gold. Sweet. All right. I'll have to go home and bend that back into a round shape. Not sure what this is. Well, found some kind of tool. Well, never fails. I always find some kind of bullet or a cartridge in a playground. Wow, check this out. I found a cross where the top is broken off. Well, that's probably gonna do it for me, guys. Let's go home and get ready for the roundup. I'm excited. I forgot everything I found. Well, hey, we got this playground cleaned up. Got a lot of dangerous things off of it, so I feel like I'm pretty successful today. Well, hey guys, welcome to my roundup. Here's everything I found today on that rainy Saturday morning hunt. All kinds of candy wrappers, old pencils, all kinds of wire, pull tabs. I found a lot of bobby pins, a lot of rusty nails, and safety pins, sharp screws. I'm glad I got these off the playground. I found a lot of wads of aluminum foil, found an old lighter, found a whole bunch of different kinds of batteries, found some bolts and some nuts, a bunch of hair clasps. I found all kinds of stuff here. Some ear pods, some little keychains. I found a bunch of buttons and zippers, found a cool little tool. I found a couple chains. I thought this one might be silver, but definitely rusted up on top. Let me see here. I found 20 pennies, 2 nickels, 11 dimes, and 11 quarters. The oldest quarter was in 1970. The oldest dime was a 1966, and the oldest penny was a 1963. And one of those quarters was actually a bicentennial quarter that I didn't even notice. I tell you, my eyes are starting to get a little bit bad. I can't see those little details. Have to put my glasses on. Let's see here. Okay, so I found a key. I like finding keys. I found 4 rings. I thought I found 5, but one was actually a small little keychain. One of these rings I thought was going to be silver, but I do not see a mark inside. And this ring definitely doesn't have no mark. It's a cheap little kid's ring. This one I thought might be gold, but there's no marks inside of it. I kind of bent it back out into shape. And then this one definitely isn't silver. It's all rusted. Has that big old stone. Look at that. Shame that ain't real. I found this little Black Panther figurine. And that was about it. A lot of finds. I cleaned up the playground pretty good, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I hope everybody else is having good luck and happy hunting. Trying to get in as much as we can before winter sets in. Alright guys, everybody stay safe, and I'll see you next time.